When it comes to shaping the perfect indoor climate, reliability and performance are essential. For over 25 years, VTS has delivered heating solutions trusted by professionals around the world. Volcano heaters are built to last, manufactured on high-efficiency production line with a daily capacity over 700 units. Each heater is fully tested and started up before leaving the factory. Decades of experience and millions of installations worldwide prove their quality, precision, and reliability. Across industries and geographies, Volcano units support everyday life. 25 years on the market, over 1 million units sold in 66 countries. Volcano's legacy spans continents and generations of trust, supporting those who build, create, and move the world forward. 25 years on the market. Volcano. Stay warm.